This is our 2007 Okuma VTM 100 with a Fanuc 18i TV control, 36 station Cat 50 tool changer, hydraulic chuck, 2-speed gearbox, high pressure and low pressure clamping, program arrow. (100 RPM), (300 RPM), (500 RPM), (2,000 RPM) for the light tooling. 4,000 RPM. And that is the tool presetter arm.